Today we're in our third installment of our 5-part series on goal setting. So far we've discussed stretch goals versus snap goals, as well as choosing goals that are ecologically congruent. Today we discuss 2 goal hacks. Goal hack number 1, write it down. Dr. Gail Matthews, a psychology professor at Dominican University of California, performed a study on a sample group of nearly 270 men and women ages 23 to 72 from around the world in all walks of life. Educators, lawyers, artists, healthcare professionals, entrepreneurs, and bankers. She split the participants into 2 groups. One group wrote down their goals and the other didn't. The results indicated that writing down your goals increases the likelihood of achieving them by a whopping 42%. That's incredible. And that's exactly why we have all of our students in our SAT and ACT programs create weekly and big picture goals on their goal tracking sheet. Goal hack number 2, tell somebody. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy stated that by the end of the decade, the US would land a man on the moon. Keep in mind, some of the elements needed to accomplish this great feat weren't even discovered yet. But by putting this goal out for the world to hear, it provided the accountability and clarity needed to achieve this enormous goal. And lo and behold, in July of 1969, the US did it. Now, sharing your goal with others doesn't necessarily guarantee its fulfillment, but there's something about knowing that another human out there is aware of what you're striving to accomplish that turns it from just an idea to an actual goal and provides the accountability and motivation needed to work toward achieving the goal. And according to that same study done by Dr. Gail Matthews, sharing your goal with a friend or colleague increases your likelihood of achieving it by an additional 20%, making you 62% more likely to achieve your goal than if you didn't implement these 2 goal hacks. That being said, don't tell everyone. Why? Well, the unfortunate reality is not everyone wants to see you succeed due to their own insecurities. So, be sure to 1, write down your goal, and 2, share it with someone who you are confident will celebrate with you when you eventually achieve it. Check back in next week when we discuss goal setting to the now.